To set up Gemini AI on the Motorola Moto G15, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then, if you're in the settings page, scroll down looking for the Google, enter it, and then move to all services. Select the Google Assistant search and voice, and then you'll be able to find Gemini. Click on it. And right here, there's the introduction and bit of instructions on how you can use it. I'm just going to continue until we can use our Gemini with the final press. Then there's the Google Assistant features that you can see right here. And we also want to go for Digital Assistant from Google and make sure that Gemini is selected. Now, in any way where you would call out your Google Assistant, you can also call out your Gemini, as it basically replaced your Google Assistant. So in this case, we can move to the gestures and activate a feature with the hold power button to access Digital Assistant. Now, if you hold the power button, our Gemini will pop up. And that is basically everything.